Let us see our next question. Omega Limited is interested in expanding its operation and planning to install manufacturing plant at United States of America. For the proposed project, it requires fund of $10 million. Highlight the portion net of issue expenses or floatation cost. The estimated floatation cost is 2%. To finance this project, it is proposed to issue GDR Global Depository Receipt. As a financial consultant, you are requested to compute 1. Number of GDRs to be issued. Second, cost of the GDR with the help of following additional information. 1. Expected market price of the share at the time of issue of the GDR is 250. Face value is 100 rupees. 2 shares underlie each GDR and shall be priced at 4% discount to the market price. Exchange rate is 64 rupees per dollar. Dividend expected to be paid as 15% with a growth rate of 12%. Please go through the question. So let us have understanding that say how to make calculation of this answer. And before we proceed for this, understanding that say GDR Global Depository Receipt. Basically friends, it is a kind of issue of the equity shares of the company outside India. That is what we understand is the GDR, that is Global Depository Receipt. In a simple, that is the language, it is an equity share which has been issued. Over here, as per the information given, 1 GDR is equal to 2 equity shares. So basically, we understand that say the price of 1 GDR is 250 into 2, that is 500 rupees say in domestic market. However, when we are going to issue in the international market in form of GDR, we are going to issue at 4% discount. So kindly use your calculator. 250 minus 4%. The issue price is going to be 240. Further, it has been given that the flotation cost is 2%. So 240 into 2%, 4 rupee 80 paise is the flotation cost. So the net amount that you are going to receive is 235 rupees and 20 paise say per GDR. This is what we understand. Over here, information is provided to us that the expected dividend is 15%. So again, use your calculator. 100 rupees into 15%. 15 rupees is the dividend for 1 share. However, 1 GDR is equal to 2 shares. So 15 into 2, that comes to 30. So 30 rupees is the dividend divided by market price of the equity share minus flotation cost plus growth rate. That is the way the cost of equity is calculated. That is cost of GDR. That is the first working that is supposed to be made. So let us answer the question. Calculation of cost of GDR. Let us see how to calculate the same. Working note number 1. Calculation of amount received. It is issue price minus flotation cost. 250 rupees is the price of 1 equity share into 2, that is 500 rupees minus flotation cost is 2%. I'm sorry, 250 minus 4% because it is going to be issued at discount minus flotation cost. So 500 minus 4% minus flotation cost. So 480 rupees minus 2%. That comes to 470.4. So this is the amount that say you are going to receive on issue of the GDR. Next is cost of GDR. In bracket K, it is D1 divided by B0 plus growth rate. P0 minus flotation cost. Dividend is 100 rupees into 2 into 15%. Dear students, into 2. Why? Because 1 GDR is equal to 2 equity shares. Over here in the division it is 470.4 plus 12%. So it is 30 upon 470.4. Plus 0.12. So 0.1838. That is 18.38%. That is the way the cost of equity, cost of GDR can be found. Now we are required to make the computation of number of GDRs to be issued. Let us understand and say how to compute that. GDR and amount. On issue of 1 GDR, the amount that you receive net of the flotation cost is 470.4. This is the amount that you receive. You can see that the information is provided to us that the amount that we require is an amount of $10 million and the exchange rate is provided to us as 64 rupees. So over here it comes to 100 lakhs. Okay, 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So 10 million is 100 lakhs into 64. So it comes to 6,400 lakhs. This is the amount which you require. So this is the number of GDRs to be issued. $6,400 lakhs into 1, that does not make a sense, divided by 470.4. This is the amount that you receive per GDR. So 6,400 lakhs divided by 470.4. That comes to 1360. 544 GDRs. This is the number of GDRs which are required to be issued. This answer can be calculated by using the dollar currency also. Even in that case, we'll get the same answer. That is GDR and amount in dollar currency. With 1 GDR, what amount will you receive? It is 470.4 divided by 64. This is 10 billion, so it is 100 lakhs. So it is 100 lakhs into 1, that does not make a sense, divided by 470.4 divided by 64. This is the way we find answer. So 1360,544. That is the way the number of GDRs can be calculated, either using the dollar currency as base or rupee currency. So summary of the answer: calculation of the amount received, calculation of K by using the formula as we have studied at our intermediate level, and number of GDRs to be issued either by taking rupee currency as base or dollar currency.